Hey, what's going on, guys? Markel here, back with another video. So I had talked about in a previous video bugs with the Pixel 6 Pro, and as it turns out, I really only have one bug with the Pixel 6 Pro. That's with my camera app. This morning I was trying to use the phone like I normally do. I didn't get my normal wake-up routine that I normally have for my phone, and I kind of like, okay, well maybe that's new. And it didn't happen on my Pixel 5a 5G, which is also on Android 12. So when I went to my Samsung phone to see if I had the same issues going on, which is still on Android 11, it does not. So moving forward until they send out some updates, I'm going to turn these two off and just go back to my S21 Ultra, because there seems to be a lot of issues with Android 12. That seems to be the culprit. So the one bug I showed you guys with the camera is legitimate for the Pixel 6 Pro, but all the other issues that I'm having with DJI, the issues that I'm having with my Discover app, I got a couple of more, the YouTube Studio app, that all seems to be an Android 12 issue, which is still Google. But I want to make sure to let you guys, it's not the Tensor chip that's in this or the 765G that's in this, because I didn't have any of those issues prior to going to Android 12. But Android 11 seems to be the more stable. As soon as I turned this on, my Android routine went off with Google. I was able to make phone calls. And the other reason why I'm switching though is phone calls on this now are a problem. It didn't want to answer a call this morning. It kept pressing, nothing happened. They called again and I had switched it to this device, nothing. It didn't want to work. So with that being said, I'm just going to shut these down until the next update comes. Hopefully it comes sooner rather than later, and then I can go back to using my Pixel, because this is the device I want to make my permanent secondary device along with my iPhone. So I'm always carrying these two, but for now I'm going to shut these down and just go back to Android 11 on my S21 Ultra. So I just wanted to come on, guys, and make you all aware, for those of you who may have Pixel devices, or your software from whatever Android device you have may prompt you to go to Android 12, you may want to hold off on that until it becomes more stable. Because right now, I know I'm not the only one experiencing it. When I went to Twitter and even when I went to Facebook, there's a lot of people on there talking about the different issues that they're having now with Android 12. So if you get prompted to go to Android 12, I would tell you to just leave it alone for a while. Let them send out some software updates, then come back to it. I'm sure it's not everyone having the same issue, but I'm letting you guys know what my experience has been on both of my Pixel devices that are on Android 12. Now, someone's going to say, well, you can just go back to Android 11. Yeah, I can, but I want to see what Google does, how long it takes, and I'm just going to go back to my S21 Ultra. It's not that big a deal for me, but just want to make you guys aware of that, okay? Now, with that being said, I appreciate everybody watching as always. Until the next time, guys, I'm out. Peace.